After giving 1/3 of his money to his wife and 1/4 of it to his mother, Mr. Lee still had $600 left. How much money did he give to his mother? My first step is asking myself, well, what is it that I want to solve? What am I wanting to find? I want to find how much money Mr. Lee gave to his mother. So I'm going to write my sentence on the bottom. He gave his mother blank dollars. Now I want to ask myself, what type of bar model problem is this? Is it a part-whole problem or is it a comparison problem? I can see that it is a part-whole problem because I'm told that he's giving 1/3 of his money to his wife and 1/4 of it to his mother, and he has $600 left. So those are my parts. I'm going to draw one full bar. Now, I know that he's giving 1/3 of his money to his wife and 1/4 to his mother. I need to show both of those fractions on this same bar. So I'm going to want to find an equivalent fraction. The common denominator of 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to have to find an equivalent fraction for 1/3 with 12 as the denominator, and that will be the amount that he gives to his wife, and an equivalent fraction for 1/4 with a common denominator of 12, and that will be the amount that he gives to his mother. So I'm going to find the numerator for each one. So he gives 4/12 to his wife and 3/12 to his mother. Now to show this on the bar, I'm going to split it up into 12 parts. My denominator tells me the number of parts. 4 out of 12, or 4 units, were given to his wife. And 3 units were given to his mother. I want to find how much money he gave to his mother, so I'm going to label that with a question mark. If I look back at the first sentence, I'm also told Mr. Lee still had $600 left. So I can label everything that's left over as $600 as well. I want to know how much money did he give his mother. I have my sentence on the bottom, I have my question mark in my bar model, and so now I should be ready to solve. I know that 600 is equal to 5 units. So now, am I able to find what 1 unit equals? I am. 1 unit equals 600 divided by 5. So therefore, 1 unit equals $120. If each one of these units is $120, I can find how much money he gave to his mother. He gave his mother 120 times 3 because each unit is 120 and there are 3 units that were given to his mother. So he gives his mother a total of $360. Lucy spent 3/5 of her money on a purse. She spent the remainder on 3 t-shirts, which cost $4 each. How much did each purse cost? Well, I want to find how much each purse costs, so I'm going to write my sentence on the bottom. Each purse cost blank dollars. And I'm going to look at the problem and figure out, am I solving a part whole or a comparison problem? And looking at the problem, I can see she spent 3/5 of her money on a purse, spent the remainder on 3 t-shirts. So those are all the parts. So it's going to be a part-whole problem. Now I'm going to take it line by line. The first sentence says Lucy spent 3/5 of her money on a purse. So I'm going to split my bar up into 5 parts. And I know that 3 of them are the purse because she spends 3/5 on the purse. I want to know how much she spent on the purse, so I'm going to label those 3 P's with a question mark. Now, I'm told that she spent the remainder on 3 t-shirts, which cost $4. Currently, I have 2 units left over, and I'm told that she spent the remainder, or these 2 units, on 3 t-shirts. So I have to break these 2 units into 3 parts to show 3 t-shirts. I'm going to bring a bar down and split it into 3 parts. I'm told that each t-shirt, each one of those bars that I brought down represents a t-shirt, and I'm told that each one cost $4. Now I know that if each one of those is $4, those 2 units up above equal $12. Now I can find what 1 unit equals. 1 unit equals $12 divided by 2, or $6. Now that I know what 1 unit equals, I can find the value of P. P is 3 units, so P equals $6 times 3, or $18. Each purse cost $18.